Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Astin Padasala. In this video, we are going to discuss what might be the cutoff for CSIR register in June 2023 for Shift 1 students. For both for JRF and LS, we are going to discuss. A small disclaimer like NTA will not be releasing a separate cutoff for Shift 1 student and Shift 2 student. They will be releasing a single cutoff that is applicable for both for Shift 1 student and the Shift 2 students. And next, for life sciences, the raw marks will be converted into NTA score. In other words, it is called as percentile mode. So for life sciences, the cutoff mark will be released in percentile score, whereas for other sciences the cutoff will be released in percentage wise scheme. Okay, so previously when the exam was conducted in single shift, in our scorecard itself they will be telling us mark that we score out of 200. Okay, whereas when the exam was conducted in two shift, they will not tell us the mark that we got out of 200 and they will be giving us the NTA score only. Sorry. The cutoff will also be released on percentile system only, friends. So at this time point in this video, I'm going to discuss you the mark wise cutoff and percentage wise cutoff. So later on, once they are released the scorecard, I'll be telling you the percentile wise cutoff, because at this time point releasing mark wise cutoff will be really helpful for you, because we might not know whether you are clearing the examination in JRF category and LS category, because the response sheet has been already out and you all have calculated a mark that you got out of 200. So officially CSIR will not release mark wise cutoff and percentage wise cutoff. They will be releasing percentile wise cutoff. So first we will be discussing for JRF. And next the cutoff will be decided by 5 factors. First they will be checking the difficulty level of question paper. Both for shift 1 and shift 2 they will be taking into account. Next the number of students apply for shift 1 and shift 2 category wise. Like how many students apply for general category, OBC, EWS. Next, how many seats are there for this particular academic year? Since this is a combined examination, there are chances for doubling of the seat. If seats are getting increased, then cutoff will be getting decreased. Next, marks scored by topper. More the topper marks, and ultimately the cutoff will also getting increased. And they will also take into account previous year cutoff mark. So here you can able to, I have given you the cutoff mark for JRF starting from June 2015 to December 2019. This is a percentage wise cutoff. And from June 2020 onwards, they are releasing the cutoff in percentage system. That too I had given you. So what is the cutoff mark for JRF? That to shift 1 for this particular academic year. Okay, so again I'm telling you officially CSIR will be releasing the cutoff in percentile mode only, friends. Since for your sake I'm releasing the cutoff in mark wise and percentage wise. For general category the cutoff mark will be 120 marks out of 200, and for EWS it is 106 marks out of 200, and for OBC it is 110 marks out of 200, and for AC it is 95 marks out of 200, and for ST it is 85 marks out of 200, and person with disability it is 65 marks out of 200. If you check the highest ever cutoff for general category, it is reported on year December 2015, that is 119.5 marks out of 200, and for OBC it is 105 marks out of 200, and for AC it is 88 marks out of 200, and for ST it is 77 marks out of 200. Since you all know for shift 1 the question paper was easy when you compare with shift 2 question paper, and also when you compare the question paper for June 2020, June 2021, June 2022, this year the question paper for shift 1 is the easiest question paper ever reported. Okay. So next, this is a cutoff mark for JRF, friends. Next, this is for LS. Okay. So for LS, the cutoff mark. Okay. For general category, the cutoff mark for LS is 105 marks out of 200. And for EWS category, it is 95 marks. And for OBC, it is 95. And for AC, it is 80. And for ST, it is 70 marks. And for person with disability, it is 50. Okay, so why I had given you a same cutoff mark for EWS and OBC means the percentile. If you check the percentile for EWS and OBC, it is more or less equal only. It is similar to OBC. That's why I had given you the mark, same mark for EWS and OBC, because we might not know how many students apply in the EWS categories. That's why I had given you. Because if you check for LS cutoff for the starting from June 2015 to December 2019, if you check the highest ever cutoff for LS category is for general category is 107 marks, and for OBC it is 90 marks. So it is 90.88 marks reported on the year December 2018, and for SC the highest ever cutoff marks was 79.2 marks out of 200, and for ST the highest ever cutoff mark was 69.3. So based on that I had given you mark wise cutoff and percentage wise cutoff. This is for shift 1 students. So at this time point you got an idea whether you are clearing under JRF or lecture. Okay, so please do share me how many mark you got out of 200 in case if you wrote an examination in morning shift. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video.